Are you an enthusiastic investor? Have you purchased stocks with your hard-earned money? Well, then you definitely would not want your precious investments becoming a prey of a stock market crash. If you're familiar with the stock market, you might have heard of Ray Dalio. Well, fasten your seatbelts because in today's video, we'll be talking about Ray Dalio's stock market warning signs, so make sure you watch until the end to prevent the loss of your investments. Hey guys, what's up? We hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to our channel, Start Up Yourself. Before we begin today's video, let us know who is your favorite business mentor in the comments section below. Raymond Thomas Dalio is a billionaire American investor and hedge fund manager who has served as co-chief investment officer of the world's largest hedge fund, Bridgewater Associates, since 1985. He founded Bridgewater in 1971 in New York. His current net worth sits at a whopping $20.3 billion US. He is specifically known to study market cycles and predicting whether the market is poised for a crash or a rise. Following are a few indicators used by Ray Dalio to determine if the market is in a bubble, especially a bubble that is about to burst. Price levels compared to traditional measures. One of the earliest indicators that foretell a market crash is how inflated the prices are in the market. If we look in the past, housing prices were touching the sky back in 2007 and 2008. No wonder the real estate market came crashing down. Ray Dalio understands that inflated prices are an indicator that gloomy financial days are just around the corner. But how do we determine if the prices are inflated? One way to do this is to look at price to earnings or PE ratio of the market. As of currently, the S&P 500 10-year PE ratio is 38.1. This is 93% above the modern era market average of 19.6, putting the current PE 2.4 standard deviations above the modern era average. The last time there were major crashes was in the years of 1929 and 2000, and at that time, the same measure was 100% above average. So, Dalio has said that the market, instead of being in a bubble, is more of a frothy state. Sustainability of price conditions. The high value of market transactions is one of the reasons for the formation of market bubbles. But how sustainable really is the investor buying? It is one of the measures used by Dalio to predict a market crash. One of the major influencers on the price of stocks are their demand and supply. When the demand for a commodity increases, so does the price. As a result, the prices of hot stocks soar high, until the buyers can no longer buy more and the prices come crashing down. If it happens on a large scale, it results in a full-fledged market crash. If you enjoyed the video so far, consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel to support us, and click the bell icon so you're notified about our uploads. Number of new market entrants. Coming back, the third sign is the number of new market entrants. While it might be a great sign that many new people are entering the market and investing in stocks to make their lives better, it can spell disaster, according to Ray Dalio. The reason being that most of the new entrants are unsophisticated people who enter the market just because they see others making profits. They are attracted to the profits of the hot stocks, which keep rising until they can't. The reason being that investors cannot continue buying anymore. The prices come falling down and the market crashed. Bullish stance in the market. When people invest in the market, they end up taking their money out at some point. I mean, who wouldn't want to cash in on stock that's returning a huge profit, right? However, basic economics teaches us that when the demand for a stock decreases, with the supply remaining constant, its price falls too. When this happens on a large scale, a market crash is what results. Degree of financial leverage. While a record number of people are investing in the stock market, it doesn't necessarily mean that they have the resources for it. Most of the people take advantage of cheap debt available to better their position in the market. As a result, when there's a slight dip, these people will rush to sell their stocks because they have to pay their debts back. A huge number of people panic selling can lead to a market crash. Use of forward contracts. Forward contracts are used by investors to lock in the price of an asset at a future date to safeguard themselves for future price deviations. For example, a buyer may enter into a forward contract with a rice supplier at a certain price if he thinks that the price of rice will rise in the future. However, the market currently looks safe from this indicator. Those were Ray Dalio's 6 indicators of a market crash. Keeping them in mind, do you think the clouds of a market crash are looming above us? Let us know in the comments below. And with that, this video comes to an end. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. We'll see you soon with another interesting video.